Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Now. I'm back with another tutorial, or should I say a get ready with me. Today I'm going to be featuring some of my favorite beauty products from the lip bar, so stay tuned. Alright ladies, so first off, to get the best results from any makeup look, you have to start off with a fresh, clean foundation. Got it? Secondly, I want to show you guys what's in my fast face kit, which I normally keep on my desk or in my purse. So let me show you guys what comes in the fast face kit. All right, so the kit comes with the foundation, and my shade is 401. It also comes with the Minute Finish face palette, and the color I chose was Stuntin'. Fast face brush, as well as the 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil. An eyeliner I chose Straight Outta Patience. Mascara. And a liquid matte lipstick. First I'm going to start off by priming my face. And then I'm going to add some translucent powder. So this is the pencil. I love the way it curves to the arch of your eyebrows. So I'm going to take this part of the brow pencil and I'm going to lightly outline my eyebrows. Right? I'm not going to come back right here again. This time I'm going to take it a little further back. And again, I'm going to lightly go in the same direction of my brows. Like this. So now I'm going to kind of flex up with little bitty strokes to mimic my eyebrows. And again, we just want to stroke lightly. Now you want to kind of brush in that pencil. Now I'm going to seal that in with the brow gel. So now I'm going to clean up my brows with the Lip Bar's concealer in the shade Honey. I love the way the tip is shaped. So I'm going to take it right under my eyebrow line. Be careful how you use it because a little goes a long way. And you most definitely don't want to waste product. So now my eyebrows are complete. And what is super excited about this foundation is that it has a cute little brush already attached. It's also buildable, so just know it's better to put a little the first time than too much the first time. Now we're going to go back to the concealer again. I'm going to take the other side of my blending brush. I'm going to blend it out. You don't necessarily have to top it off with a powder with this concealer because it dries in powder form, which is amazing. So next I'm going to take my Fast Face brush and the Lip Bars concealer in the shade of Mocha. And I'm going to contour just a little on my forehead in a deeper shade. Just a little. Right? Then I'm going to take my Fast Face brush and kind of pat that in. And again, I don't have to top this off with the powder. Oh, my earrings. So next I'm going to use the shade Flossing for my base of my eyelid. Take the multi-purpose Lip Bar concealer and I'm just going to pop it like right in the middle, like that. Pop! And I'm going to kind of blend it out just a little. Just a little. So now I'm going to go back to the Lip Bars Minute Finish Face Palette using the shade Bling Bling. And just press. And the deeper you want Bling Bling to show, that's the more you add. I'm gonna make sure that blends perfectly. Cause honey, I don't want you to see where my eyeshadow stops and starts. You hear me? So we're gonna get that blend correct. We're not done. So now I'm going to take the Minute Finish palette again and I'm going to use the shade So Icy. So what I want to do is take this shade right at my eyebrow bone and I want to pop it in right there. And do what? Blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Next I want to add a little to my corners of my eye. I want to bring it into my lash line. Just a little. And I'm just going to take the extra mile and kind of bring it on the tip of my nose. So I'm going to take the Lip Bars Fresh Glow Bronzer and Blush Duo. Then I'm going to take my Fast Face brush. This way it gets real, honey. I'm going to take that right about here. And up here. Not a lot. So I like to be a few shades darker. Normally in the summer, my skin tone gets deeper. But since it's the pandemic, your girl haven't been out much. So, so I have to give myself kind of sort of a fake tan. And I bring my bronzer down too. Next, I'm going to be using the shade Wine and Dine. It is cute. Ooh, I'm glowing! Oh, that's gorgeous. Cute, then gorgeous. Cute, then gorgeous. So we're gonna go with gorgeous. Ooh, I just want to bathe in this, y'all. Alright, so y'all, we want to blend out this blush too. We don't want no harsh lines in the blush. So next I'm going to take the Lip Bars Smudge Proof Eyeliner in the shade of Straight Outta Patience. Next up, we have the Lip Bars Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara. With mascara and without mascara. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the shade Boy Trouble and Savage. Well, that's it, you guys. Thank you for getting ready with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the link in my bio or in the details below to find out how you can get 10% off of the lip bar products using my code NOLAROYALQUEENIE. All right? Bye for now.